Today we're exploring a fascinating tool known as the RSI Adaptive T3, developed by the team at TradingView. This indicator is quite clever, designed to enhance your ability to track market trends with greater accuracy by dynamically adapting to the market's fluctuations or stability. We'll delve into its mechanics, how it merges the renowned T3 moving average with the strength of RSI, and ways you might incorporate it into your trading strategy. If you find this helpful, please show me some support by tapping that like button. To add this to your charts, start by navigating to TradingView, the platform I'm using here. If you need to create an account, I'll include the link down in the description below. Once you're on TradingView, select your preferred trading instrument, whether it's cryptocurrencies, forex, stocks, or anything else, on a time frame that aligns with your trading style. Next, click the Indicators tab at the top of the screen. In the search field that appears, type RSI Adaptive T3 and look for the version by TradingView. A quick note here. The original transcript mentions TradingView, likely a typo for TradingView. Select it and it will instantly appear on your chart. There you go, folks. This is the RSI Adaptive T3. In essence, it's an advanced trend tracking tool that builds on Tim Telson's impressive T3 smoothing algorithm, elevating it by dynamically adjusting its smoothing length based on real-time RSI data. This helps you better visualize trend directions, momentum spikes, and the market's volatility patterns. Let's break down the chart components, as there are several noteworthy features. The most prominent element is the primary T3 line, which changes color to reflect market conditions. It typically turns blue during bullish phases when the trend is upward and shifts to orange during bearish phases when the trend is downward, making it easy to gauge the trend at a glance. Additionally, there are adaptive volatility bands on above and one below the T3 line. These bands expand during periods of high market volatility and tighten when the market is quieter, similar to Bollinger Bands. They provide visual hints for potential breakout opportunities or zones where price reversal might occur. You may also notice small diamond-shaped or cross-like markers appearing when the T3 line crosses a lagged version of itself. These markers are valuable for identifying potential trend reversals or optimal entry points during pullbacks. Additionally, there is a dynamic information panel that flows on the chart, displaying the current adaptive length of the T3 along with the minimum and maximum length settings you've chosen. This panel updates in real time and it often color-coded to align with the trend's direction. Diving into the indicator settings, you'll find robust customization options. The RSI Adaptive T3's length lies in its adaptability. Within the settings, you can adjust the minimum and maximum length parameters, which the RSI uses to fine-tune the T3's responsiveness dynamically. When the RSI is low, indicating a potentially oversold market, the T3 adopts a shorter length to react swiftly and catch possible reversals. When the RSI is high, signaling an overbought or strongly trending market, the T3 extends to a longer length, smoothing out to reduce market noise. There's also a volume factor, often labeled as V, rooted in Telson's original T3 design, which governs the curve's smoothness and sensitivity. You can adjust the RSI length that powers this adaptive system. For the volatility bands, you can modify their calculation period or multiplier, and you have the option to disable them entirely for a cleaner chart. As with most indicators, you can personalize the colors of the T3 line, bands, and any field areas to suit your preferences. Scalpers might prefer a narrower range for the minimum and maximum length to generate quicker signals, while swing traders may opt for a broader range with longer lengths to smooth out short-term market noise. The default settings are a solid starting point, but experimenting will help you find what best fits your trading style. So how can you apply the RSI adaptive T3 in your trading? One key approach is to monitor the T3 line's color for trend direction. A blue line with price trading above it signals a bullish environment, while an orange line with the price below it suggests bearish control. Color shifts, particularly when paired with those directional markers, can serve as early alerts for potential trend changes. A close attention when the volatility bands, previously narrow, begin to widen, indicating increasing market energy. For a bullish trade setup, look for the T3 line to turn blue, with price action forming higher highs and higher lows, confirming upward momentum. If the price reacts to the blue T3 line and it holds as a dynamic support level, this could be an ideal entry point, especially if the bands show moderate expansion rather than extreme volatility. For a bearish setup, the reverse applies. Watch for the T3 line to turn orange, with price action confirming downward momentum. A rally back to the orange T3 line, where it acts as dynamic resistance, could signal a shorting opportunity. The adaptive volatility bands are also highly effective on their own. When they contract tightly, it often indicates market consolidation, like a spring coiling before a significant move. A breakout from these narrow bands, confirmed by the T3 line's color and direction, can signal the start of a new trend phase. You can also use the bands as dynamic zones of interest. For example, in uptrend, if the price reaches the upper band and shows signs of stalling or forms a bearish candle, it might indicate a temporary overbought state for good spot to take profits. Conversely, in a downtrend, a price bounce off the lower band could suggest a short-term oversold condition. Don't overlook the info panel either. Monitoring changes in the T3's adaptive lengths provides insights into market's rhythm. A shorter length indicates the indicator is responding quickly to current conditions, while a longer length suggests a smoother noise filtering mode, offering valuable context for your trades. In summary, the RSI Adaptive T3 by ChartPrime is an exceptionally smart and well-designed indicator. It enhances respected T3 moving average by integrating RSI to adjust its sensitivity in real time based on market conditions. This allows it to help you stay aligned with the trend, gain clearer insights into momentum, spot potential reversals or continuation points, and gauge market volatility with less lag and greater responsiveness. It's a versatile tool suitable for traders ranging from scalpers to swing traders. However, please note that this is not a financial advice though. The information and strategies discussed are purely educational, aimed at explaining how this indicator works and how it might be interpreted. Trading carries risks, and past performance does not guarantee future results. Always conduct your own research and incorporate additional analysis such as price action or fundamentals before making trading decisions. If you found this breakdown of the RSI Adaptive T3 helpful and learned something new, please give it a like or consider subscribing for more indicator reviews, trading strategies, and insights. Thanks for reading, and see you next time.